In this video, I'm going to show you how to log in funding pips in TradeLocker. So the first thing you want to do, of course, you want to create a funding pips account, and then once you do that, you want to go inside your dashboard and then create a trading account, either a live one or of course a demo one inside your dashboard. And then once you do this, you'll receive your login credentials for TradeLocker either on your email, or you'll be able to see them directly once you create your account inside the dashboard. Now, once you're done with that, you want to go to this link, which is demo.tradelocker.com, and then you want to put in your credentials. But if you are doing a live account, you can do live.tradelocker.com or click switch to live over here. So either live.tradelocker.com for live account or demo.tradelocker.com for a demo account. After this, what you're going to need is your email. So you're going to have to put in your email you used to sign into Funding Pips, and then you're going to have to use your password, which is not the same you used to create an account over here, by the way. You're going to get a separate password when you create a demo or a live account inside your dashboard of your Funding Pips. And then you want to just paste in this password, and then you'll get a server as well. Usually it's going to have a -demo if it's a demo, or -live if it's a live, but of course it can be something else as well. This depends on whatever you are doing, or of course whatever you are trying to log in with, if it's a demo or a live account. Now over here, let me just show you how this is going to look like. Now, once you put in your password, of course, I don't have an account with Funding Pips. This is going to be from a different broker, but of course, once you put in your details and press login, as you can see, this is going to load up, and that's what you're going to see. This is now your trading platform of TradeLocker connected with Funding Pips. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.